Hey guys, Lance Lanford here with ViewSonic at InVision 2025 with TD SYNNEX. I want to start by saying that everyone knows ViewSonic for our LCDs and interactive flat panels. Phenomenal product, both of those in the market, but what I want to talk to you guys about today is a little bit different. So we've changed a little bit of our trajectory into the AV space recently, so we've introduced a full line of dvLED solutions. Starting with our LDS, which is our portable dvLED solution. It's 138 inches, comes out of a flight case on a electronical lift that lifts it out of the case. It unfolds and then gives you a full 138 inch diagonal for a LED screen. On top of that, we have our LDM series, which is kind of your industry standard. We have our LDP series, which increases up to 4K, and then our LDC, which is customizable. So full offering of dvLED products from ViewSonic, which is something we have not kind of played in the past. So please, if you have any questions, visit us at viewsonic.com.